Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you like a kind of tutorial talk through tips and tricks on this school makeup look that you would have saw in my thumbnail. So stay tuned to see that.
So I'm first starting by, obviously you're going to need a reference picture for this, but I'm starting by marking out where the like eyes are, and then I'm going to do like the outline of that and colour it in. Literally just continuing it to copy my reference picture, and your shape kind of want to looks like this, and you've got this little bit up here, but obviously it looks weird now because it's not coloured in. Once you colour that in, it's going to start to look better. So I'm going to colour it in now, and obviously you want the same symmetrical shape on each eye. As you can see, I've now got both on each eye. So I'm now going to take my black again. By the way, I'm only using the lid because like the colours transfer to the lid, so I just use that rather than painting in the pot from the pot, because instead of having like the heavy thing on me. But yeah, I'm going to colour these in now. Obviously be careful of your eyes, but let's go for it, colouring these bits in. So I've coloured in the eyes. It looks pretty freaky already just by doing the eyes, but obviously you can see that like this bit's exposed and it's still like my waterline colour, but like right at the end I'm going to put like eyeliner in there just to finish it off, just so like it's like the fully block colour. But now I'm going to do the nose, and the nose is like this sort of shape. Wait, so I've just made a little mark out of where like the dimensions of the nose are, but I'm going to use quite a thin brush for this one. And let me pick up my mirror, and I'm going to go in just starting with a straight line around the nose, and then I'm going to, it's kind of like this shape, so I'm going to go down and then just mark out the shape and then colour it in. It also has a line down the middle where there isn't any paint, so you want to be sure to get that in. So for the nose, I just recommend that you literally just follow the lines of your own nose, and then just obviously like split the bit down the middle, but just follow your own nose shape, because that's what I've done for mine. But yeah, like I was trying to create more of a shape, but I had to take quite a lot away, so I'd literally just recommend following your own nose shape and then just doing the bit down the middle. So now we're going to move on to the mouth. So if you do actually get reference pictures, like there's not really a lip colour, so I'm going to like add a bit of foundation over my lips to just block out my lip colour. And you can see I've already started to work out the teeth, how they're going to look. But yeah, I'm going to block out my lip colour, and then starting from where my, sorry, I'm a right wriggle bum today. Starting where my Cupid's bow is, I'm going to start drawing on teeth from there. That's going to be like the middle line. This bit's like more open to perception because you can make it fit to your like mouth shape, but you just want to make sure that all of the bits up here, like they're more curved so they look like teeth shapes. You do want to use quite a thin brush for this, and you also kind of want to make some teeth look a bit smaller than the others, but you just want to make sure that you are getting like the top bit, like the curved shape. So the teeth are quite nice and easy because you just genuinely need to bring them out to about here, but you can add in like as many teeth as you want. Just make sure, I've just realised what I was doing, I was curving them down with my lips, but they actually need to be straight, so remember not to curve them down with your own lip shape. So once the teeth are done and you're happy with them, I'm going to add a little bit of shading down here, but I'm literally just going to take like this grey black colour from my palette, and I'm just going to drag it downwards a little bit, just like that, and then I'm going to just go and blend it out with my finger. And now I'm going to do the big bits like that. I've mapped out where they're going to be. And obviously, like, because the medium I'm using is paint, it's quite thick and solid. So I'm actually going to be using a mixture of these two colours on a really fluffy shadow brush, and just blending, using that to blend inwards around this area, so it's not such a solid colour, if that makes sense to you. I'm just going to use that around this area just to blend it in with the teeth. So for those bits, I literally grabbed a fluffy brush and I put my paint and water on it and literally ran it through. Like, you just want to make sure that it's a graduated colour sort of thing. So this is it actually, I'm done. So it was just like a quick, it wasn't really like a tutorial as such, it was just like me showing you the look that I've done and just like a few tips and tricks for it. So yeah, like as long as you could literally use this as a reference picture, like right now, like just copy this. As long as you keep looking at the thing that you're copying, then it's really easy. Like even these bits don't matter that much because you're like, if your face on, I'm only doing it for a video, but if your face on, then these bits look fine. Like look at this as the look really. I didn't really want to do the neck because of like I've got fake tan on and I don't really want to rub off my fake tan if when I have to rub off the neck. But yeah, this is the final look. No, it's not. If you've actually watched the scene in American Horror Story, he's got like his hair like slicked back, so I'm gonna do that. This is like the state of my hair at the minute, but I'm gonna use this Got2b Glued and a comb. So I'm literally just dipping my comb in it and just like slicking it back, just so it like it's back and then it falls. So yeah, because that's how his hair looks in American Horror Story when he's got this makeup on. So we're going for the full thing. Oh, but yeah, it's just like the wet look hair, isn't it? But yeah, I think I'm happy with it now. So yeah, this is the final and finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't like that much of a tutorial, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing and just my tips and tricks. Like, I find it kind of hard to do tutorials because I feel like I'm not looking at the camera enough. But if you do want like a proper full tutorial of any look, then just leave it down below. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks pretty cool. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.